everything that you see in here is for sale. We're primarily a Porsche specialist. We do have an interior bay as well, where we do a lot of the machine polishing, coatings, etc. We host regularly the Porsche Club Great Britain. That's led on to us doing detailing days to the members. On from that led you coming in because they were so impressed with the products or didn't understand fully how to use them. Having you to speak to, having the van turn up, it was just an easy one-stop shop for them all. Yeah, and it's been a great partnership, it really has, of you turning up. Regularly when we have meets, is Rob coming? Is Rob from Autoglym coming? Is Rob coming? You know, we want him here. Yeah. I've run out of this, that and the other, and yeah, he's just worked as a great partnership, really has.
I now buy things more in bulk, so I'm actually saving money for the company that way as well. Absolutely, Autoglym definitely helps us sell cars. These guys have advised me over the last 14 to 16 years on different products to use. I mean, to be fair, we have an interior cleaner. One's safe on leather, one's not. If it wasn't for Tom here, I'd have been probably putting the wrong product on the leather. And that was very recent actually, yeah. Good relationship we got.